Car insurance in Florida. What you need to know to stay protected on the road. Florida roads are made for driving, sunny coastlines, fast highways, and year-round cruising weather. But behind the wheel of that powerful machine lies an undeniable truth: Florida is one of the riskiest states for drivers. Without the right car insurance, your dream ride could turn into a financial nightmare. Florida's auto insurance system is unique. As a no-fault state, it requires drivers to carry minimum coverage that pays for their own injuries and damages, regardless of who caused the accident. This includes personal injury protection, PIP, with a minimum of $10,000 in coverage, and property damage liability, PDL, also at $10,000. While these limits may sound reasonable, they rarely cover the full costs of a serious accident. For car enthusiasts who invest time, money, and pride in their vehicles, basic coverage simply isn't enough. If you're driving a custom build, a performance car, or even a restored classic, protecting your investment means looking beyond the legal minimum. Collision and comprehensive coverage can save you from unexpected costs caused by accidents, theft, vandalism, fire, or extreme weather threats that are common in Florida's climate. In addition to the basics, Florida drivers should strongly consider uninsured/underinsured motorist (UM/UM) coverage. With one of the highest rates of uninsured drivers in the country, it's a smart shield against others who don't carry sufficient protection. Medical payments, MedPay, is also a valuable add-on, helping you manage costs beyond PIP if you or your passengers are injured. Rates in Florida can be high, especially for performance or luxury vehicles, but smart drivers know there are ways to reduce premiums without sacrificing protection. Installing anti-theft devices, maintaining a clean driving record, bundling policies, and raising your deductible can all help lower costs. And don't forget, shopping around for quotes is crucial. Not all insurers treat modified vehicles the same way, and some specialize in coverage tailored to enthusiasts. Driving in Florida is a thrill, but it comes with risks you can't afford to ignore. Insurance isn't just a legal formality, it's the safety net that ensures your love for cars doesn't leave you financially exposed. Whether you're cruising in a convertible or racing on weekends, make sure your coverage matches your lifestyle and your ride. Are you confident that your current auto insurance truly protects your car passion, or is it time for a coverage tune-up?